Wait guys, I need to fix my glasses. You see, I just tie it with sewing, some Mas we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Saan mo tawad ha? Tawad. Wala pa. And then, hindi pa pala ito masyadong tuyo. So, I'm gonna hang. Hello everyone! I like my hair today. It's shining, shimmered. It's so soft. I like it. Umayos ka. Naman kasi. Load ka na dun. Naka-live si Mami. Gagawa mo. So, I have my laundry here. Sasayon yung kamay mo. Aray ko. Parang naman sinasakal mo ko. Doon na. O, doon na manood ka na isa. Isa. Hindi talaga titigil. Let's tupi ng mga dameters. So I get some, I think I get some few laundry that I need to fold, and there's more outside but still not dry. I know. Merry Christmas, everyone. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Christmas, giving my heart, and parents say to keep on playing these years. I need someone special.